up, guys. Just come down to the viaduct for a bit of a walk. Left Denise in the cottage. Just thought I'd come down and have a bit of a recce so we know what we're doing in the morning. The plan for me is to be somewhere up on that crag there. There's a bit of limestone path over there. Looking back this way with the sunrise should be pretty good. There's your viaduct. A pretty impressive piece of kit, to be honest. As you know from watching my other vlogs, I do like this large man-made structures. Pretty impressive on the landscape, and as long as they blend in and don't make too much of a mess of it, then pretty awesome. So yeah, that's the viaduct. So all well and good, we'll get some sort of either an evening light or some light in the morning, but the clouds over in the distance rolling over the top of the hills, the low clouds, pretty amazing. So fingers crossed, we should have a couple of good images this weekend. I'm hoping to meet a vlogger down here, Daniel something. Sorry, I've forgotten your name, Daniel. I'll have a look on my phone in a bit. Daniel's supposed to be coming down, getting the train down here, and he's going to be down here for about 1:30. So if he manages to make it, it'd be brilliant. If he doesn't, then there'll be another time, I'm sure. And I'm also looking out for, which is why I've got my orange coat on, because I told him I'm in orange, as per normal. I'm looking out for Stephen Ballum. He's coming down this way as well, so fingers crossed, all going well, he'll turn up as well. Well, as you can probably see, I'm now stood underneath the viaduct, and what a massive, impressive structure. I've actually seen a steam train come over the top of it, as you've probably seen in my photograph if you're on Facebook, but I'll bob the image up anyway, so have a quick look. What a magnificent piece of work. Right, I'm not going to keep talking, otherwise these little clips or these little vlogs are going to take forever. It just takes your breath away. This is where I need a long lens, and I haven't got a long lens. The Fuji long lens is on its way, but that cloud over there rolling over the top of the mountain, absolutely bonkers. Gutted I haven't got a long lens with me at the moment. It's in the car with the Canon. Right, I'm going to shut up. Right, I want to walk up a little bit and have a bit of a nose. There's a guy at the top there in a blue coat, so that might be Daniel. Right, well, I've had a couple of people turn up. Stephen's come and found me. Say hello, Stephen.
Hello.
Stephen's come and found me. I put the orange coat on just for him, so he could see me from the other side of the road when he pulled up. He saw the car and he thought, got to be around here somewhere, no good going up to the cottage. So he's here playing. And Daniel, who was messaging me last night saying he was going to make his way down, he's got work this weekend. And he said he'd have a blue coat on, and I spotted this guy with a blue coat on, and he spotted me with an orange coat on. So it was a good job I put it on, wasn't it?
Very good job, yeah. Nice to meet you, buddy. Nice to meet you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good stuff. You did mention the orange coat.
Yeah, definitely the orange coat. It's starting to get a bit of a trademark now, isn't it? And a selfie coat. Everyone needs a selfie coat, and we all know that. Daniel's come down from Carlisle.
Yeah.
So yeah, he only lives up the road. He's probably been across this bloody thing 10 times. We're going to have a play in a minute. Daniel's just saying monochrome. Yeah, it's looking very monochrome. As you can see behind us there, it's very, very grey. But that little patch just behind us there, the greens and the oranges, stunning. So I'm trying to work something out. Handheld, I've got my little Fuji out with me, and Steve's on there with his tripod, as you just noticed. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But this isn't supposed to be a vlog today. This is just coming out and sort of recce in the area. So it looks like we're going to get this one first, and you'll see the next vlog in the next session. So yep, catch up in a bit. Alright, so Daniel's now having a play, and he's turned round to Ingleborough, which we're hoping, or I'm hoping to try and get up there Sunday. I don't know where Steve's face has just gone. But we're going up somewhere up that way anyway. Up to the limestone path, which will be pretty cool. Find ourselves a lone tree. But yeah, check out Daniel Bennett.
Yeah, it's a yeah.
Check out his channel. He's done a bit of vlogging and had a bit of a go himself. So yeah, give it a look. See what you think. Give him a thumbs up. It's always worth it. You know I like them.
Cheers, buddy.
Light over there as well. It's all good. And we all know Steve hasn't got a channel. He can't be bothered to vlog. Right, I'm going over there. I want to find that greeny bit.
No, it's not for everybody, you know, but I think it just does it for the love of photography.
Yeah.
Just for this love of,
yeah, that's it.
You know, we don't all have to, you know, be on YouTube. And,
Nothing like gate crashing someone's vlog, is it?
The love of photography.
Putting someone off in the background.
I'm not sure if this guy is aware of this.
He's just going to go in a minute.
With other people around me, so you guys want to be quite privileged.
Just trying to get the attention of these sheep just now, and I was just clapping my hands and being right silly, but they're not having none of it.
Challenging.
We're just doing a bit of trespassing at the moment. We found this little house down here, cracking a little bit of older buildingage with some proper air conditioning roof style. Full on panoramic views. And now we've all managed to get to the top of this bank and we're not sure how we're going to get back down. Right, I'm going to snap a shot. Right, well I know I wasn't coming out to take any pictures today, only just for a bit of a recce and a walk round, but if you look in front of me there, that little, where is it, can't see it, that over there, a little tree, not very good with those fingers things, yeah, right in front of me I've got this little golden tree. We're going into autumn now and the colours are all turning into those nice oranges and browns and stuff like that. Some of the trees were a little bit early, but this one particular tree sitting above the wall with a canopy of dark green leaves above it, it's just absolutely spectacular. It just jumps out at you, it's just screaming at you about taking a photograph of it. So all three of us have had the camera out, we've all taken an image. I've got a little bit squarer on and I've just done it in lines and put the tree at the bottom with all the dark green above it. But yeah, cracking little image, shooting handheld, got the Fuji out, no tripod, I left that in the car. But yeah, not a bad little image really, and I wasn't planning on taking one. We're not up on the limestone path. Steady.
I'm going.
Steady. He's just. We nearly had an injury then. We don't be having injuries on day one. Crikey. And you're a paramedic. Yeah.
Time to turn and
we're not.
pick my landing.
Yeah, pick your landing. That was a good landing actually. It could have gone a lot worse. We're up on a little bit of the limestone path that's left lying around Ribblehead Viaduct. This isn't the main limestone path, but it certainly gives you a good taste of what's to come over this weekend and in the following vlogs, because I'm not going to get it all out today. This is just gonna, this was a starting 5-minute one that I was just going to put out and say hello to the couple of people that are turning up on the Friday, and it's turned out that we've had a right good walk around, and with the way the weather's coming over at the moment, we're probably going to get wet as well. I've got soggy feet, I've got my non-waterproof boots on, but as you can see there's Ribblehead, the viaduct, and if you can't find a leading line here, you want shooting. Daniel is thinking about stopping tonight as well because he's got a spare room or a spare bed. He's trying to convince himself to tell work he's too sick to go to work. cut this. No, it's a long way from home, and he's feeling it. So yeah, we'll see. We'll talk him into it later. Tie him to the bed or something like that.